Good morning, students. Welcome to Melu Classroom. I hope you all are doing great at home, right? So, enjoying with your parents and having lots of fun and learning with Melu, right? So, I am back here to teach you a new topic today. But before that, let's do a warm up by singing a song. Yes? So, we will sing a song that is Bubble and Pop, right? So, we will sing a song on bubbles, bubble and pop, right? So, are you ready to sing along with me? Very good. So, let's start. One little red fish swimming in the water, swimming in the water, swimming in the water. One little red fish swimming in the water, bubble, 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 pop. Two little blue fish swimming in the water, swimming in the water, swimming in the water. Two little blue fish swimming in the water, bubble, 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 pop. Three, right? Three little yellow fish swimming in the water, swimming in the water, swimming in the water. Three little yellow fish swimming in the water, bubble, 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 pop. Four, right? Four little green fish swimming in the water, bubble, 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 pop. Five little pink fish swimming in the water, swimming in the water, swimming in the water. Five little pink fish swimming in the water, bubble, 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 pop. Yes, so did you enjoy singing the song, children? On numbers 1 to 5, and we learned bubble, 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 pop, right? So let's start our today's session. So children, today we are going to learn a new shape, that is square. What is the shape? Square. Yes, do you want to see how a square look like? Yes. So this is a square. What is the shape, children? Square. Say it again loudly.
Square.
Square. Right. So children, this is a square. Children, this is a square. A square has sides. What are these? Sides. Yes, children. So, a square has 4 sides. Yes, children. Let's count how many sides are there in a square. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, how many sides does a square has?
4.
So, a square has
4.
4 sides. Yes, and all the 4 sides are equal. Yes, children. So, all the 4 sides in a square are equal. And children, do you know these sides meet at a point? Yes, this is a point. This side and this side meet at a point, right? These are called corners. Yes, children, what are they called? Corners. So, a square has how many corners? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, how many corners are there in a square? 4 corners. So, a square has 4 sides and 4 corners. And remember, children, all the sides in square are equal. Yes, and you know, what does a square say? I'm a square, you can see me everywhere. I have 4 equal sides I'm a square, I'm a square. Yes, children, shall we sing again? Yes. I'm a square, I'm a square. You can see me everywhere. I have 4 equal sides. I'm a square, I'm a square. Yes, yes. So this is a square. And children, do you know, if you rotate the square in any direction, yes, if you rotate the square in any direction, it looks the same. So children, let's see few examples of square. Yes, so here I have few things which are in the shape of a square. So let's see one by one. Children, here I have a plate. Yes, children, and it is in the shape of a square because it has got 4 sides and all are in equal. Yes, and here I have a mouse pad, and this is also in the shape of a square. It has got 4 sides and 4 corners. Yes, and children, I have few biscuits here. Yes, and they are in the shape of a square. Very good. Let's count how many sides are there in the biscuit. Yes, children. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, it has 4 equal sides and so the biscuit is in the shape of a square. And here I have a book. Yes, children, and it is in the shape of a square again. Yes. So, 1, it has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And all the sides are equal. So, it is in the shape of a square. Children, I have a dice. What is this? Dice, right? So, and can you see, children? The face of the die is in the shape of a square. And here I have a tissue. Children, we use a tissue, right? We use a tissue to clean ourselves. So, this tissue is also in the shape of a square. And I have a box. And the face of the box is in the shape of a square. I have another box here. And this is in the shape of a square. It has got 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, these all the things here on the table are in the shape of a square. So, children, we have learnt about square. Yes. So, a square is a shape that has 4 sides and 4 corners. And remember, all the 4 sides in a square are equal. Okay, children? So, now let's do an activity which is given in our book. So, children, here we have an activity where we need to identify and circle the objects which are in the shape of a square. Okay. So, let's see what are those. So, children, what is this? Sun. And is this in a square shape? No. What is this? Window. And is this in the shape of a square? No, because all the sides are not equal. Okay. And pizza. Is pizza square in shape? No, it is circle in shape. And here we have door. Is the door square in shape? No. And what is this? Bread. Yes. And is this in the shape of a square? Yes, because it has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 and all the sides are equal. So, bread is in the square shape. So, I need to circle bread. What is this? Chess. We all love to play chess, right? So, chess is in the shape of a square because all the sides in the chess board are equal. So, I need to circle this. And children, here we have a pillow and it is also in the shape of a square. So children, I have bought few popsicles for you. Yes. So let's count how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So using these 4 popsicles, I will make a square. So let's start. First, you need to place one popsicle, then another popsicle, another popsicle, and the last. And this is a square. Hey! So we have made a square using 4 popsicles. Yes, children? So children, we have learned so many things about the shape square, right? So now let's sing a song on square. So let's start singing a song. Are you ready to sing along with me? Here we go. This shape has 4 same sides, 4 same sides, 4 same sides. This shape has 4 same sides. It has 4 corners too. This shape is called a square, called a square, called a square. This shape is called a square. I just want to tell you. We'll sing it again. This shape has 4 same sides, 4 same sides, 4 same sides. This shape has 4 same sides. It has 4 corners too. This shape is called a square, called a square, called a square. This shape is called a square. I just want to tell you. Hey! So, we have learned to sing a song on square. Yes, children? So, let's practice tracing the shape square. So, children, this is a square. So, children, this is a square. And here I have a toy car for you. So, we will trace the shape square using the toy car. Let's start. Yes, children? So, we'll start from here. Yes? Hey, so I have traced the shape. Let's trace it again. So, how many sides I have traced, children? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides and I have made a square. Hey, so I have learned to trace the shape square. So children, now let's trace the shape square using buttons. Yes, so I have bought few buttons for you. Yes, here are few buttons and here I have a shape square and now let's place buttons on the shape. Yes, tracing the square. Let's start. So we will start from here. So children, here I have made a square using these buttons. Yes. Children, now let's make a funny bear using the shape in the shape of a square. Yes. And we need a paintbrush and a color white. I have taken white color. Yes children. So we will make a funny bear because bear is in brown color. I took brown chart in the shape of cut in the shape of a square and few small squares of with black color sheet. Yes. So what I did, I have cut a small chart in the shape of a square and I'll place here. Yes, and this is the square. Now I need to paste the ears. Ears for the bear. Yes, here we go. Another ear. Yes, I have stick 2 ears on the bear's face, and now let me place the eyes. And the nose. Yes children, so I have made the face of a bear with all the shapes with all the square shapes in it. Yes, the face is in the shape of a square, its ears are in the shape of a square, and eyes and nose is also in the shape of a square. Now let me draw the whiskers. Yes children, now I'll draw whiskers on it. Yes, you can draw the whiskers using a crayon. Yes, or else you can use a paintbrush. To make the whiskers. Yes. Hey. So this is my funny bear with the shape squares in it. Yes children. So I have made this funny bear using the square shapes. So children, we have learned to identify and circle the objects which are in the shape of a square. So now it's your turn. You also look around for any 2 objects or things which are in square shape and tell the names of the objects to your parents. Okay. So, you all will do this for me, right? What you need to do? You need to look around and search for the objects which are in the shape of a square and tell those names to the parents. Repeat, and tell their names to the parents. Okay. So that's all for today's session. See you later. Bye.